Alright gang, welcome to Hansen Speed Shop. Today we're going to be doing a custom Matchbox 62 Plymouth. This is a brand new casting from Matchbox and it is awesome. This thing just came out for 2021. Super cool looking car in black. Just basically stock, how it would have come from the factory. Let's get this thing cracked open and take a little bit better look at it. This thing comes from Matchbox with a really nice gloss black paint job on it, nice detailing on the trim, nice detailing on the taillights and everything. Really cool car. Basically, my idea for this car is we're going to leave the factory paint job on it from Matchbox because I like the color and it's already got some nice detailing on it. It looks like it already has a black interior in it, which I also really like. But my idea for this car is I want to turn it into kind of an early 60s super stock car. So basically we're going to get different wheels and tires on the back, different wheels and tires on the front. We're going to raise the front of the car up slightly, like they would have done back in the day for weight transfer. We're going to detail out the whole chassis on the car because it just comes from Matchbox, all chrome, but there is some really nice detailing in there. And then the last thing I'm going to do is trim out these kind of inner fenders here and do some fender well headers. But before we can do any of that, we'll get this thing torn apart and look at exactly what we have to work with, because this is a brand new car. I've never worked with one of these before, but I'm pretty excited to. Hopefully we'll do another one of these in the future, but for this first one we'll just kind of keep it pretty simple, but it should be a really cool car. So I'll get the thing torn apart and then we'll go from there. Alright gang, it's time for the final unveil on the Matchbox 62 Plymouth Savoy super stock build, and this car came out really cool. I'm super happy with it. If you dig it, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think of it. This was a pretty simple, fun, easy build to do, but it's going to look really great in my vintage drag car collection. Basically all that I did on this car, we left the factory paint job alone because I like the black, and actually did not notice this till basically starting to work on this car, but it's not actually just a regular black. There is a little bit of metallic in this black. If you look under if you look at the paint under a light, there is some metallic in this black, so that's kind of cool. It's a little bit fancier than just straight out black. The interior comes from Matchbox in a gray plastic, so we detailed that out in flat black. Also detailed out some of the details on the dash and the shifter. We're running some Hot Wheels chrome steelies out back with some slicks. Up front we're running some chrome Hot Wheels steelies with some little skinny tires. The car sits up just a little bit in the front like how I wanted it to, nothing super radical or anything. Basically just kind of trying to go period early 60s super stock with this car, not really a gasser or anything. On the front of the car, detailed out the grille, painting around the headlights black like they're supposed to be from the factory. We detailed out the grille insert in kind of a more satiny kind of chrome finish, just to separate that out from the bumper, and then detailed the lower part of the body black also because this was all chrome from Matchbox. Looking at the back of the car, that's exactly how it came from Matchbox, so no work was needed there. Underneath the car, what I did was I trimmed out the inner fenders to make room for those cool little custom fender well headers that I made. And I had to make a custom front axle. Otherwise, the whole chassis was detailed out in a satin black. Detailed out the oil pan in a Hemi orange. This car would have probably had like a 413 wedge motor, but would have still been that same orange color. Detailed out the transmission, exhaust, and gas tank in a flat aluminum. So that is our car. The car looks super cool, super mean, very tough looking. It sits really neat. I hope you guys dug this build. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber to Hansen Speed Shop. There's tons of cool custom diecast videos to check out on the channel, along with a ton of other cool stuff. And there's a ton of cool stuff on the way. So hit that subscribe button. Comment below. Let me know what you think of the car. Give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, until next time, stick around for some more pictures of the car. Get out, work on your own projects. Get those hands dirty and greasy. Stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.